Okay, so first I'd like to talk about how texturing actually works. Now, the way that you usually texture a 3D model is through something called UVs. And UVs are essentially a 2D layout of the surface of the model. So here you can see the model that I'm going to be using in the tutorial today and part of its UVs. Now these UVs here correspond to the cockpit, which I've highlighted for you in red. And you can sort of see how these UVs correspond to different parts of the cockpit. So if I apply a texture to these UVs, it will show up here on the real model. Now, the part of the model that I'm going to be texturing for you today is the propeller, which I'll highlight for you right here. So I'll be doing some basic texturing on the UVs that are right here. Now, here's the UV that I'll be working with, and you can't really see it too well right now, but when I add the texture here, if it were to go back on the real model, this is where it would show up. So that's essentially how UVs work. If you want to look more into them, you can check out Blender and all that, but for now we're just going to be focused on how to work with them in Photoshop.